In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple announcements to your Shopify theme. This process is really handy if you're looking to keep your customers informed about special sales, shipping promotions, or exciting new arrivals on your store. Let's dive right in. First, we'll want to get started by opening up the Shopify theme editor. Start by navigating to your Shopify admin panel. On the dashboard, you'll see a range of options. You're going to want to focus on finding the online store. Once there, spot the Themes section and click on it. You'll see a list of themes that are associated with your store. Look for the theme you're currently using, in this case, the Sense theme. When you find it, click on Customize. It's through these customization tools that we'll manage our store's announcement bar. Now that we have the theme editor open, let's focus on the header section. On the left sidebar of your screen, you'll find various sections listed. Look for the one that says Header and click on it. This is where the magic happens. In here, you'll see an option labeled Announcement Bar. This is what we're interested in for today. When you're in the announcement bar settings, you might already have one announcement in place. If you want to add multiple messages, simply right-click on an existing announcement, and a little window will pop up. From there, the option to duplicate the existing announcement will become available. Select it, and voila, you'll have a new announcement ready to edit. Now, it's time to get creative with your announcements. Write out each message you want to display. For instance, you might want to highlight a weekend sale with 20% off all items this weekend, or entice customers with a shipping promotion like free shipping over P2000. Maybe you're launching a new collection and want to share the excitement with new collection just dropped. Additionally, if you'd like each of these messages to lead somewhere specific, you have the option to add links. This can direct users to a particular collection, product page, or any other page you have in mind. After you've customized your messages, head back to the main announcement bar settings. On the right side of the page, you will notice a few sliders. These allow you to adjust the timing for how long each announcement stays visible before switching to the next. Feel free to play around with these settings until you find a timing that feels just right for your store. Be sure to save your changes once you're finished. And there you have it. You're all set. You've successfully added multiple announcements to your Shopify theme. This setup will keep your customers well informed and engaged with what's happening in your store. Thanks for watching, and happy selling!